today my plan is to add a new node to my cluster, which I'm excited about, and also install MinIO, I don't actually know how to pronounce it. MinIO, something like that, so that I can have an object store on my Kubernetes cluster as well. And that's because a few days ago, when I was trying to get Spark to run on it for the first time, and that was a success. I realized that not having an object store was kind of inconvenient, and I'm just sort of always used to having an object store hanging out. But since this is a bare metal thing, I need to provision my own object store. Okay, and so with all of that being said, let's see if the YouTube thingy started, or the Twitch thingy started. Looks like the Twitch thing started. That's solid. Let's go to your channel. Okay. Cool. So come join me for a quick, hopefully finishing. Okay, let's see here, and yep, that is the ticket. Okay, pretty sure, there we go. Hey Timbit, hey baby, how's it going? Okay, and an important part of every stream, and you came when I called your name, so let's make sure that you get a treat for being a good boy. Because good boys deserve treats. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Yeah, he's saying hello to our good friend, Timbit. Oh no, we can't see Timbit. There we go. This is Timbit. His name is Timbit. He is the absolute best thing in the world. I love him. I love him so much. Yeah. He's a little sleepy. We just came back inside from outdoors, didn't we? And outdoors, it's really hard to breathe. That air quality stuff is not a joke. So I hope everyone is staying as safe as possible. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get my node. So let's say hello to my new node. Yes, this is my node. It's a Jetson Nano. I don't know. They're pretty cheap. You can't do like everything on them, but it gives me 4 compute nodes, or no, 5 compute nodes. 5 compute nodes to go with the 3 storage nodes. And I've got an x86 machine and 3 other ARM machines for compute, plus this one makes 4 ARM machines, and the x86 makes 5. And then I've got 3 Raspberry Pis that aren't really for compute, they're just storage nodes. They've got some cheap USB sticks shoved into them, and I guess they could run compute. I haven't put them on the deny list for compute or whatever. I maybe should figure out how to do that, actually, now that I'm thinking about that. That's probably an adventure for another day. At the very least, I think we'll probably take the leader node and make it not eligible to run things on it. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know if that makes sense or not. I think it might. I think that could be a good thing. But also, who knows? Who knows? Okay, so it looks like we're live. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to go and put this in my rack really quickly. And so that'll take me a second. And then while this thing boots up and gets an IP address, actually, yeah, I'll do that. That should do the trick. Good news. Okay, it looks like that node is at least plugged in and up and running-ish. The LED indicator light came on. So let's go ahead, switch this to the live screen, and I am going to grab maybe not my Twitter just in case people are being weird. Yeah, let's grab this thing just over here. Hey baby, please don't do that. That's my Pop's Burgers calendar. Okay, what was I? Oh yeah, okay, so now, let's see here. I'm gonna log into my router, which also runs the DNS. Sorry, not DNS. I mean, it does that too, but it runs DHCP, the DHCP server. So there we go. That's looking good. We've got the IP address for that. And I've got a script around here somewhere to set up that machine. I think it's like, there we go. I'm going to make this cluster. Bootstrap. Okay. Okay, cool. This looks like that's probably the right thing. So we're going to go ahead and kick that off. Okay, yeah, new host, that's fine. Okay. Then we see the super high security password. And so this is now going to start setting up that node. It's going to install a bunch of things that it needs. And I'm going to hope it works, because when I was trying to install curl on this machine earlier, I ran into some like totally unexpected issues. So I would not be surprised if we run into a failure. And if we do, we'll just we'll deal with that when it happens. But while that's going, let's go ahead and figure out how to install MinIO. Okay, ASF2 license sounds solid. Yeah, let's go to the quick start guide. Where's the distributed MinIO quick start guide? Rockin'. Okay. So that's not what I want to do. Yeah, okay, so I do want to download, this is only 64-bit Intel? Well, does not look super solid. Okay, fine. MinIO K3S. I'm sure someone's here. There we go. Okay. The Helm chart's oh. Okay. Hey, let's go over here. Okay, updated 2 days ago. That sounds solid. Oh hey, thank you. That's really wonderful, Josh and Programming Night. Thanks for joining. Yeah, so I guess, yeah, here we go. So this is going to be a bunch of configuration stuff, and that is kind of what I want to play with. So for one thing, no, okay. So replicas, I want to set this to 3 because I have 3 storage nodes. Cluster.local, sure. Okay. I would prefer to run my containers as not root. Yes. Okay. There we go. So the node selector. That's what I was looking for, because I've got some storage nodes, and MinIO doesn't have to be deployed on the same storage nodes. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, but I think for my purposes, it would be a little bit easier. I don't think I want the S3 gateway. Let's double check. Yeah, we don't want to do that. So, right. There's these different options. So essentially, you can make your MinIO cluster backed by another S3 cluster, Azure, or network attached storage, or B2 Blaze. Let's take a look about MinIO and PVCs. Yes. Okay. Yes. I don't want GCS gateway. I would like... I don't think I want standalone PV. Okay. This is the standalone, which is not what I want to do. I also don't want to deploy from master. That seems hella sketch. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm being too picky. Okay. Rockin'. Cool. Okay. So this might work. Oh, you know what we should do? We should test the Rook Ceph setup. Rook Ceph. Let's test that. Because if we're going to install MinIO, we're probably going to have it backed by Ceph. Let's go into this quick start guide. We've done this part. We've made the cluster. Yes. Wait. these. Okay. This is in adventure. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I would like to, let's see here. Don't know if it particularly, okay. Required for provision volume. This seems like a lot. Okay. I don't think I need a read-write file system. I kind of want, yeah. This is probably allows a single pod to map the storage. Okay, let's go ahead and see what we've got going on. kubectl get all namespaces. Pretty sure this is, there we go, yeah. So we've got Ceph up and running for a while. So that's good. That's solid, I think. A little bit curious, but okay, sure. That's probably fine. kubectl get storage class. Okay, so we've got local path from Rancher, so we probably want to make this as a storage class. Secret contains, wait, what? It says the secret containing, oh, okay, yes, fine. Well, okay, so, what is the purpose of doing this cluster setup? Yeah, that's a great question. So the purpose of doing this cluster setup is sort of twofold. One of it is like, yeah, testing new features in Spark. The other one is I'm starting, and it's a very early start, to explore things other than Spark. So like Ray on Kubernetes. And the reason, like, so Ray, Dask, probably Blazing SQL, and all of those sorts of friends in the ecosystem. And I want to see how it works. Another part of doing it is I have to work with Kubernetes more now, and I come from more of a Yarn background historically. And so I've used like GKE clusters and Minikube and MicroK8s clusters, but I've never deployed a Kubernetes cluster sort of from bare metal. And I was thinking doing this would be a good exercise for learning as well. Because of course we could do the comparisons using like a GKE cluster. But you know, I think this is more informative. Right. Okay. So, with that being said, okay, there we go. I think, yeah, great. Okay, Rook. Let's take a look at this. Is this, okay. Does this look like the thing? So, interesting. Okay. I have no idea what RBD MBD is, so let's take a look at what that is. Yeah, this is not what we're using. We're not, yeah, this is, I mean, this looks cool, but like, no. So with that being said, let's see what happens when I run this. Ooh, can't spell for shit, apparently. Okay, interesting. Yeah. Okay. Looks solid. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, so we're gonna probably end up using a Helm chart in a little bit. Although actually, yeah. So let's go ahead and take a look. I just want to take a look at what's in their examples, because then we can use that really quickly to test if this thing is working separate from deploying MinIO. Okay, probably. Okay, yeah. So let's apply this. This creates. Okay. Get PDC pending. Okay, pending is not great. Or I mean, pending is pending. So let's go take a look and see what might be going on. My brain is gonna take a second here with the thinking. It's not gonna be this. Okay. It's probably in here. Everything says running. Okay. Yeah. Meow. What? I do, although he's coming out your way now.
Hello, Professor.
I'm doing a stream. Okay.
Let me go get a sweater. I'll take you outside.
Oh, okay. It was rough to breathe.
It was what?
It was not fun to breathe when I took him out last.
Was he out?
What?
When was he last out?
Let me take a look. 24 minutes ago.
Did he pee?
Yes.
Oh, ta-da.
So we got a little bit of time, yeah. Oh, hi. Hi. Hi, Bernice. Interesting. Let's take a look. Oh, thank you. So, this is Carolyn and the professor. Hello, professor. Lovely professor. Okay. Well, let's take a look at this.
That smells like dog food.
Yeah, he's There's a dog. Oh, right. Okay. Doggo! There we go. Okay. That's a lot of text.
Is it broken?
Probably. It's not working. Oh, actually, let's go over here and take a look. No, it still says pending. Yeah, it's broken.
When there's a lot of text, is it usually broken?
Yeah, hard to say. Hard to say.
Okay.
So the problem often is that I don't like to follow instructions.
Oh yeah, well that's not just with code. I love you. Oh,
I love you too.
look, my hair is stuck.
Oh,
Oh no.
oh, it's
There we
caught.
go. There we go.
Okay,
I got my bow caught.
so I am supposed to verify that something is running. Let's take a look. The Rook Ceph operator. So that looks like it's running. Still can't spell. Okay. It sounds like it's created a replica pool, and that's going okay. What's the Rook toolbox? Oh, God damn it. Okay, bet there's a tool. Okay, cool. Let's apply this toolbox. Whoop. Sounds good. Let's find this pod. It's running. And I would like to connect to it. Lovely. Okay. And so, Ceph status. That looks like probably not what we want in the status. Yeah. So it sounds like probably our Ceph config is a little screwed up. I think. Probably? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Yeah. No, I don't want to tweet that. I want to fucking I don't know. I like Yarn. I think Yarn is a really stable environment. Oh wait, no, these are just inactive. Yeah, I would just go to Yarn first. Reduced data. Okay. What does Ceph pages inactive? How to learn Yarn? I mean, I wouldn't spend a lot of time learning the details of Yarn. Like, if you're... Because realistically, at some point not too far in the future, we're probably not gonna be running too much on Yarn. But like, I would spend the time focused on learning the tools that you plan to run on top of Yarn instead. What is an OSD? Okay. Ceph OSD. Object storage daemon. Okay. Ah. What does this mean? Okay. Ah. Huzzah. Cluster does not create OSDs. Interesting. Fine. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh yeah, Cloudera is great. I mean, like, I think CDH is fine. Yep. So it might be networking issues. But I'm not necessarily seeing. Ah, damn it. Okay, say go. That's fine. I have no idea what IP address I am. Flannel was okay. So here we go. God. Weird. But yeah, okay. So okay, let's take a look at the monitors. kubectl get pod Ceph kubectl Rook Ceph. Okay, that's a lot. We're gonna pipe this to less. That's okay. So here we go. This looks fine for values of not seeing anything that says that this is not a party. This looks like it's running fine. Oh, okay. Maybe Okay. Okay. So gotcha. Okay. So let's look for the OSD pods, I guess. This is really... so there's no OSD pods. Fuck yeah. Okay. This is starting to make sense. And yeah, totally. I've definitely, this is not the first time that I've set up this cluster. So, that 100% makes sense. Yeah, okay, but those would probably already be gone. Okay, so let's go ahead and we are going to, what are we going to do? Clean up the storage nodes? Yeah, I guess that's what we're going to do. Huh. I just realized. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Leader. Yeah. Wait, what? Wait. This does not make an overabundance of sense. Because this is saying that the NVIDIA thing has the role of storage node. Let's take a look. Okay. Roll. Damn it. I'd like to change the role, although now I do wonder. Okay. Yes. Yeah, okay, this is using Docker. For some reason, the node label role is... Okay. Let's find where this is set. I don't know. Oh, actually, I could probably... Storage node, that's probably smarter. Oh, except it's... Okay, great. Oh, cool. Yeah. So I use OBS, and there's a plugin for it that I use. I don't remember its name. Let's take a look. Huh. What's it called? It's called chat. I don't know. Let's take a look at what my plugin options are. Okay, so there's a Linux browser OBS plugin. I'm gonna bring that up really quickly. Yeah, and so yeah, this looks like the one that I use. I use this, and then alongside that, I mostly just use OBS. Cause I like OBS. Tends to do the job. But okay, so I think I know what I need to do. Namely, these things should not be storage nodes, and it's probably part of why everything's really screwed up. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What am I gonna do? GPU dash node. Okay. Read only. Okay. Let's reboot, and we'll see how that comes back. And I guess in the meantime, yes. Yeah. So I think I want to set a node label here. Similar to that. So let's go ahead. Nope. Okay. I guess bind address. Lovely. I wonder, can I set a node label? Probably. Why not? What was I doing? My brain is not really rocking out super great. I probably should have eaten more food. Oh, yay! Thanks, Apendra. Oh yeah, let's see if this thing came back yet. Okay. Cool. That looks fine. So let's go ahead and do that over here too. Ah. Oh, right. Don't remember where it was. Yeah, okay. Oh, damn it. Sorry. It's switching between operating systems all the time. Really does not do wonders for my key binding recall. Okay. And this is GPU node. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. Over here. Say yes. We'll set this to GPU node. Okay. And reboot this one too. Great. names. Do. Okay. Cool. So that seems fine. Instead of rule storage, though, I'm gonna rule storage node. Okay, cool. Oh yay! Thank you. Yeah, I got a new haircut. I'm very excited. I mean, it's from Nova, and thanks Nova. Okay, what was I doing? I'm not very. Brain is not doing happy brain things. Cheeseburger phone. Okay, probably need to reboot this at some point. Probably also need to delete everything in the Rook Ceph namespace. Okay. Right? Does that seem right? Oh yeah, the other thing that I need to do is clean up the oh god, my brain, come on. Okay. Although, okay, cool. Look, on the plus side, I think that's a solid start. Oh, yeah, that probably didn't. Work. Wait, what? Oh. Okay, there we go. That makes more sense. Okay. Cool. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna delete everything in the Rook Ceph namespace. That seems like what I want to do, based on this like random guide that I found. So let's go ahead and do that. Sure. And let's go kubectl delete namespace rook-ceph. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead. Oh yeah, we're also going to want to reboot this machine. Let's wait for this to finish though. We'll let's take a look at anything else we might want to delete. I think we can leave this here. Oh, we probably want to delete this. Don't need that. Cool. I'm used to -f being forced, but the kubectl, let's read from the file. Cool. Oh, that's probably, yeah, sorry. Delete PVC. Cool. Okay. Get all namespaces. Cool. Oh, yeah. Delete. Also, still don't need. Okay, cool. So the other thing that I want to do, let's go ahead and mount. Okay, there's so much tempfs stuff mounted. Okay, cool. So if there's nothing here on that machine. So let's go ahead. And the other thing that I wanted to check out is cube ctl nodes. Oh. Yes. Okay. So it is going to be inside of. Is there anything here? There totally is. Okay, cool. Okay. Solid. And now we're going to go to 103. Yeah. Solid. Okay, cool. This is making a lot of sense. We're gonna go ahead and reboot 103. We're gonna also reboot 101. 102 died. Or he didn't die. And we're gonna reboot the leader. Okay, cool. I'm excited. This might work. Of course, you know, it's a maybe. But it might work. So that's exciting. I like coffee. Looks like cool. Ah, shit. Oh, well, this got deleted. That makes sense. I hope the leader node comes back up before the Jetson Nano finishes configuring. Because my shell scripts aren't very resilient, but it'll probably come back up in time, I hope. Ugh. I should really add a reboot all shell scripts. Can we scale the nodes with the use of with Flux for Kubernetes in this case? Let's take a look at what Flux is. Kubernetes Flux. Ah, interesting. That sounds interesting. I am not particularly familiar with Flux, so it might be doable. I don't know. This looks kind of cool though. Let's hope the cluster comes back up, because if it doesn't, I'm going to be a little bit frustrated. And by frustrated, I mean like sad. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh god, if they come back up with different IPs, I'm going to also be sad. I thought I gave the leader a sticky IP, but maybe I didn't. Maybe I did not. Wait, in my room? Oh, cool. The leader's back up. Wait, is my room cold? Carolyn? Okay. Let's hope this came up. Cool. Okay. Let's take a look. So, NVIDIA 3 still has the node label of storage node. Oh, that's the node M. What the? Okay, I don't really care. What matters here is the label is GPU node. That's cool. Boop. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's take a look for sorry. I want to see what node label the leader node has. Cool. So it has a role storage node label, and that's important because otherwise it's not going to be a party. Let's check and make sure the 103 worker role storage node, great. 101. Cool. Although, interestingly enough, I don't see the x86 worker. Huh. I'm curious. What's going on with that one? I think we gave that. I don't remember what IP address we gave that. Yeah, 101. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Okay, cool. So I think his name. So I think what I'll do, set that to x86, and then okay, cool. And then we'll run K3S. And we need this to be -4. Right. Worker x86 XH. Docker network prune. Okay, cool. And just go ahead and hit reboot, and we'll see if that node comes up and joins our cluster. But that being said, I think we've got the storage nodes configured. So that should do the trick. So what I'm going to do is apply. Oh, another thing that I really want to do over here, Rook, cluster examples kubernetes. So I edited these, mostly the Rook operator ARM64 YAML, and then, oh, interesting. Okay. Data dir host path. So I'm K3s data dir host path. Okay. Host. Wait, I'm super confused. So, okay, let's take a look. Ceph data dir host path. Rook Ceph data dir. Okay. Data dir host path. So, I don't. Okay. So, where config and data should be stored. If the directory does not exist, it will be created because the directory. Okay. Yes. I am still a little bit confused. Okay. I think this is a valid setup. Rook Ceph ZFS, maybe. Ooh. Well, I think this is a valid setup. I have no clue. So the best way to figure that out is let's run it and see what happens. So there's that debugging section. Where was I? Ah, here we go. I think this was OSD pods are not created. So kubectl get pods-n rook ceph-w. Let's take a look. So it's a namespace. These containers are coming up. Probably add that to the first boot script. Cleaning up the old PVC, cleaning up the old CFS pools. I suppose. Okay. I don't know. Okay, the monitor looks like it's running. Still don't see any ODS. Even sorry, OSD. Okay. Little fuzzy. Yeah, sure. So the stack that I'm trying to run is mostly a mixture of Spark, Dask, Ray, and sort of all of the like data parallel things. So also maybe Flink, maybe Beam. Let's see. Interesting. Okay, let's go ahead and run this again. What's the state? Okay. So the operator is up and running. We've got 2 monitors running. We need 3 though. I guess I didn't have to SS. Nah, whatever. Monitor C is not yet running. Okay, this looks like solid progress though. We've got 2 monitors. Oh, damn it. We have 2 monitors up and running, but the 3rd monitor is not yet running. So, I guess, why is this monitor not running? Subscribe. Hey Timbit. How's it going? Okay, so it pulled the image.
I'm gonna throw away this mouse.
Sounds good. So party's scheduled. It's not ready yet. I'm not sure I know why it's not ready yet. Because it looks like... I don't see why. Ah, okay. This okay. Okay. Huh. Okay. It looks like the monitors are coming up, and now we're going to start provisioning. This seems good. This seems not bad. This seems not bad. We're gonna take a quick break and talk with Carolyn about ordering dinner. I will be back in a second. Wait. Be right back. Oh, and it's not Timbit needs to pee. It is. Let's change text here. Food. Yes. I will be right back. Don't super. Oh. Okay. Now go loud. Order pizza, we'll do a little bit more, and then I'll stop when the pizza comes, yeah? Okay, let me find my phone. Where's my phone? Oh, there's my phone. Okay. Okay. Grade 6 tests. we have ordered pizza, an important part of the ordering pizza process. And so, where's my mouse? Where's my mouse? So we're gonna hang out, and hopefully, get at least this part working. Hopefully we'll get something working before the pizza comes. Okay, so the thing is, I do not see any instances of the OSB thingy configured. Right, he's not there. And everything's been up for long enough that they should... Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. Little less sure. We're going to go... Where is... Okay, no. So there's no instances. Okay, there we go. Let's take a look at this. The OSD preparation. I guess. Did we see any of those come by? No, we did not. Hello! You look awfully wet. I am a little bit uncertain. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, we're not using RDB. It looks like maybe I cannot actually use... Let's go quick start, Ceph. Okay. Yes, so I have... Let's take a look. Okay, we have operator pod. Pretty sure we do. Yep, we've got an operator pod. We have an agent pod. Oh, we don't have an agent pod. Do we have a discover pod? We do have a discover pods. Yeah. Okay. So I think the trick here is that... Oh, God damn it. Yes, I would like to use it in a directory. Ceph file store OSD will be created in a directory. Okay. This makes sense. This makes sense. So, okay, let's take a look at the difference between is it? It's okay. Test? Okay. Okay. So that's the thing. I thought I set this. Okay. So I guess. Why Rook over others? Is a very good question. So I can get it working, or at least I can get it deploying with ARM. I have to do a little bit of poking around to get it working, mind you. But it does the trick. Yeah, I mean, we could totally do something else. I guess this one just seemed like an option. And yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, let's disable this for now. Yeah, okay. We don't want to use host networking. I don't use SSL. Data dir host. Well, let's take a look at what use all nodes does. Okay, Ceph OSD directory. Ceph OSD on ZFS. Hello.
Are you still streaming?
Yeah. am confused as to what I want to do here. So yeah. Interesting. Huh. Okay, I'm super confused. Computers. 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 Okay. Hey, ZBR. I'm okay. I'm having a bit of difficulty figuring out what it is I'm doing. Yeah. So, okay. Rook, Ceph. Health is getting better slowly, but it's not great. Okay. Yeah, I mean my wrists are broken and it's hard to breathe, so it's hard to do physiotherapy. But I mean, you know, it could be worse. It could be sorry. Pressed Control Shift T when I meant to press Control Shift Y. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so then we'll. Oh no, okay. Okay. If I don't set the OSD. Okay. So. I don't get this. It's all good. No, it's not your fault. I am just super confused. Because I thought this was using something, but it's not, and I am less sure as to what's going on. Okay. So Ceph on top of existing ZFS. There we go. Okay. Ceph Rook existing ZFS. Okay, maybe. Ceph Rook OSD in a directory. Huh. It's deprecated, but I still want to use it, I think. Oh, cool. I will be right back. That could be the food. Was he a good boy?
He didn't go potty, but Dylan came out and he went nuts, and then he came back to me,
Well, that's good.
and then the second I stopped feeding him treats, he ran over to her again. But then I got more treats out and he came back.
Okay. Well,
So
that's
I'm out of
progress.
treats, and he did not go potty. But
It's okay.
I still think it's a win.
So it looks, yeah. So this looks like what I was planning to do, which is I've got this shell script and it handily creates ZFS pools for me, and it looks like that's just not a thing anymore. So I'm gonna have to figure out something else. I guess, and that's I mean,
Buddy, where are you going? Where are you going? Do you need to go potty?
yeah.
Should we go potty?
Ceph, yeah, Ceph file system. So, anyways, the pizza arrived, and I am not super 100% sure. Let's take a look and see how this issue was closed. It was closed on February. This is, yeah. So I think what I'm going to end up doing is probably deleting the Z pools, and I'm going to I'll be on a what the, this is so confusing. So confusing. Okay. So It sounds like maybe I could do this with LVM. Although this is, oh god damn it! Every time I've tried to do something with Ceph, it's been an interesting adventure. And I think part of that is just realistically, I don't understand Ceph very well. Um, although EdgeFS, maybe I could just use EdgeFS. Maybe we'd swap EdgeFS for Ceph, I guess? I don't know. One CPU core and 1 gig of memory per storage device. Minimum memory requirements for EdgeFS target pod is 4 gigs. Oh, yeah. This is not an option. What's this? Oof. Okay, these are all alpha. I don't. Let's take a look at stuff. Okay. So yeah, I guess what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll I'll delete the Z pools and I'll redeploy this using raw devices or using raw partitions, and then I'm hoping that'll work because the Raspberry Pis just don't have that much memory on them. So thanks for hanging out with me. Sorry this went kind of sideways. So I mean that's also like not unexpected. Most of these things go kind of sideways. So I'll probably come back tomorrow or later on today, and finish that up. Okay. Oh, can I explain about ZSD and how I am using it? Do you mean ZFS or is ZSD something too? I don't know. There's so many things. Yeah, probably similar time tomorrow. Yeah, Zubiar. And thanks for understanding. So just as we're wrapping up, I'm using ZFS or ZFS or whatever it is because I've got a bunch of cheap, kind of slow storage devices, and I just want to group them together in a nice, convenient way. And ZFS has a nice pooling system for doing all of this. But it sounds like actually Ceph does all of that magic underneath the hood. And the fact that I've manually created these Z pools is actually kind of a source of issue. So that's not great. So we'll go ahead and we'll fix that. Probably do that. Yeah, tomorrow around the same time. So thanks everyone for joining me. I'm gonna go eat pizza with my wife and our dog. His name is Timbit. I love our dog. He's really sweet. And don't worry about the typo. Thanks everyone for joining, and yeah, and thanks for caring about my health. I appreciate it. It's nice. My Yeah, everything hurts. But that's okay. That's my life.